In this lesson, we're going to utilize the buzz stroke during snare-driven grooves. If you don't know what a buzz stroke is, it's very simple. You press down on the stick with your thumb and your index finger. Open up these three fingers. Literally just press down when you strike the snare drum, and it creates this buzz sound. We call that the buzz stroke. That's where we like to play mostly snares, if not all snares during the groove, like barely even touching the hi-hat with your hands, if at all. And with those snare-driven grooves, they do have accents, they do have ghost notes, they do have regular notes, but you gotta put your buzzes in there. With that buzz stroke, you can kick with it, you can play it by itself, you can flam with it, or you can play it with a hi-hat. Any one of those ways will work. It's up to you to choose how you want to be creative with it. Okay, for your examples, you should know from part one. It's 60, 100, and 140. Here they are. Check them out. Good people, did you catch it? Create a snare-driven groove and utilize the buzz stroke in that groove. Very simple, and it still adds more flavor and spice to the groove. All right, good people, guess what? That's actually not it. It's not just part two. There's a part three coming. See you there. Peace.